Next to your cooperating teacher, there is no one who is more important to your student teaching experience than your clinical instructor. This individual is fundamental to your success. He will create paperwork that will be included in your student teaching placement file, which will have significant impact on your ability to obtain employment as an educator for years to come. Your cooperating teacher will see you every day and watches your growth and improvement in minute steps, but your instructor sees you periodically and acts as an occasional dipstick indicator of your improvement during the semester. He's been instructed to visit you at least 7 times over the course of approximately 13 weeks, so you can expect to see him at least every other week. When he comes, you need to be prepared for him, make him comfortable, and be sure that he has everything he needs to give you a quality observation. Provide your instructor with a class schedule indicating which periods you will be teaching and the dates of your conference periods. This is sometimes hard because school schedules can change a bit. However, do the best you can to give him your classroom schedule, and then if you end up having assemblies, meetings, or changes in the times, you can let him know. Each time your instructor comes to observe, please have a dated copy of your lesson plan ready for him in a binder. These lesson plans should be detailed. A substitute teacher should be able to pick up your lesson plan and, if necessary, stand up and teach the information herself because the plan is so well prepared. Provide a desk for your instructor to sit at each time he observes. He will need a place where he can see you clearly as you teach and where he can comfortably take notes, preferably at the back of the room. If possible, before he visits the first time, let him know where you would like him to sit so that he won't disturb the classroom when he arrives. Options might include the student teacher's desk, a table at the back of the room, the cooperating teacher's desk, or an extra student's desk. All can work. It is up to you and your cooperating teacher to decide what will be the best place in the classroom for your instructor to observe from. You should have a binder of lesson plans with your current lesson plan on top, placed and ready for him on the desk. Your instructor will be in the classroom 45 to 60 minutes with each observation. This will be scheduled ahead of time. During that time, he will complete a formative observation of the lesson you taught. When you are finished teaching the lesson, you will meet with your instructor to discuss your observation. You need to arrange with your cooperating teacher ahead of time to teach the class while you meet with your instructor. Find a quiet place to meet with your instructor. He will want to have a discussion with you about the lesson you taught and would appreciate a table to write on. Discuss with your cooperating teacher options for places that would be appropriate. She may have some suggestions, but know ahead of time where you plan to meet with your instructor for follow-up. Some places that might work could include an unused classroom, the library, the counselor or psychologist's office, your classroom if it's available, but the hallway is not a good place. Always ask for permission to use the space you decide upon. Don't assume it's okay, ask. Check things out ahead of time. Remember, your instructor, like your cooperating teacher, has the capacity to become not just an important instrument in obtaining employment following student teaching, but he can also become a valuable and a lifelong friend. Like most instructors, he's probably supervising because he loves education and simply wants to remain involved after retiring from a rewarding career in the public education system. Treat him with the respect and consideration that he deserves, and you will both be rewarded in intrinsic ways that cannot be measured.